Yeah, I'm Henry Okafor, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Flickwheel. And at Flickwheel, we're helping vehicle owners keep their cars on the road by connecting them with better auto technicians that are enabled by technology to provide affordable and reliable auto care at scale. Quite frankly, it has been a past intense 2 months for me. One very interesting exercise that I liked was from day one, I was tasked to pitch another startup. Personally, I think that was just targeted at me because that was essentially what I needed. The art of telling a story that's compelling and that can genuinely inspire people to build. Um, it has been a roller coaster, but it has essentially been a case where you go in and you come out a better startup and also a better founder too as well. I would say I've also learned to network. I've met other founders who share the same dreams with me, and it has also forged more business connections to the point where we have talks ongoing with partnering with another startup that could elevate our business offerings at large. So it's quite interesting and very insightful.